Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you add current weight on your fasting tracker app. We're going to figure out the solution on know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on me down here, just click here on me. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. Sorry, you just click here on personal data here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on current right here. Then here can you add it in this list. So when you down, just click here on save. So then it's going to add with you on your app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.